today what I want to do is I want to talk about how we can get stripes in the backyard, but without taking forever to do it, especially those people who have really big backyards like me. You want to be able to just get it done. You want it to look really nice. And so I want to show you a technique that I use for my backyard to get really nice looking stripes without having to go over everything multiple times. The best way to explain how to do this is to just go around the perimeter of the yard. I usually go about 4 or 5 times in one direction, turn around, go back around 4 or 5 more times in the other direction, and at that point you'll just work your way into the middle, and once you get in the middle you'll have nice defined stripes. I just want to show you that I'm not really doing anything different to the lawnmower. I don't have a striping kit. I don't have a homemade striping kit. It's just the flap on the bottom. And I'm just really just playing with the sun. You can see that the sun is positioned behind me, so I'm mowing the stripes away from and toward the sun. I know that the sun shines that way this time in the morning, and so I make sure to mow so the sun will hit it. And so you have grass blades that will lay down away from the sun to give you that light color effect. And then you have the other grass blades that will lay down toward the sun, which give you that dark color effect, which in contrast gives you that nice striped look. And this is just a quick way to do it if you have a small mower like me in a big backyard, and you don't even need a striping kit to do it. Of course, with the striping kit, it will look a little more defined, but you don't need to spend the extra money to get a nice, good striped look in a short amount of time. Well, I hope that was helpful. If anything, it's just kind of fun to do. It's fun to put patterns into the backyard. You don't have to do regular stripes. You can just do patterns on your own. So if you like that, please like this video. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.